Hey there, how's it going? I hope everyone is as excited as I am for the second ever VimJam. The first one had such an amazing turnout, and this time it's looking to be even better. I really can't wait to see all the amazing experiences that everyone will create. This year, the jam runs for 10 days, but the time can sneak up on you really fast, so remember to keep your scope in check. It's better to underscope and have time to polish and playtest than the alternative. Because of the extra time, we will not be accepting late submissions this year, so please plan accordingly and make sure your projects are submitted before the deadline. Some tips to keep in mind. Playtest your exported builds. Sometimes things can change in the way a game works when it's in the editor versus when it's exported. Keep the length of the game in mind. People playing game jam games usually sit down to play multiple games in a single sitting and don't want to play one game for an hour. I suggest keeping the main gameplay experience to about 10 to 15 minutes max. Keep your difficulty in check. Remember, you will be better at your game than anyone else because you made it, so bear that in mind when adding challenges. As a personal request, please add the ability to full screen or enlarge your game. That way, people streaming your games can better show off your work. And finally, have fun. Game jams are about being creative and enjoying the act of making something. Now, to what we've all been waiting for. The VimJam has 2 design challenges to incorporate. The requirement this time around is boss. Now, this doesn't mean you have to have a boss fight in your game. A boss can be someone that gives you instructions. Characters like Gladys from Portal or the narrator from the Stanley Parable tell you what to do like a boss would. Of course, you don't have to listen to them. The player character can be the boss. Olimar from Pikmin is a great example of this. They control and tell other characters what to do. Ultimately, some interpretation of a boss needs to be in your game in some way. And now, the theme for the VimJam2 is On the Edge. You're free to interpret this however you choose, and I look forward to seeing all the incredible ideas you dream up. As of now, VimJam2 has officially begun, and you have 10 days to create your game. If you would like to join the community, both myself and 8bits2infinity have Discords where you can share and discuss with fellow devs. Links are in the description. And if you are sharing on social media, make sure to use the hashtags VimJam2 and 8bits2infinity so everyone can see your progress. I wish you all the best, good luck, and have fun. Later.